So today we're going to make this lovely chewy milk toffee, and it has only 4 ingredients.
Everyone, and welcome to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. See loads and loads of Christmas recipes coming up on my channel. Most of my recipes are handed down to me by my mom in her Christmas recipe book. Let's get started with today's recipe.
So in a pan, I'm going to be melting 100 grams or half a cup of butter. Once our butter melts, we're going to add 400 ml or 1 entire tin of condensed milk. We're going to mix all of this till the mixture begins to thicken, stirring continuously on a low to medium flame. Now, once our mixture thickens, we're going to add about 150 grams or 1 cup of cashewnut powder. Then we're going to add the raisins. That's about 1/4 of a cup or 40 grams. That is completely optional, but it does give a lovely taste to this toffee. Now we're going to continuously stir this till everything comes together and thickens. Now to see if our mixture is ready, we're going to take just about 1/4 of a teaspoon in some water, and if we are able to form a very smooth, a nice ball with this mixture, that means our mixture is ready. So now we're going to transfer this to a greased tray. I've just greased it with some clarified butter or ghee. You can also use regular butter. If you don't have a tray like this, you can just take any plate, preferably a steel plate, just grease it with some butter or ghee and just apply this paste and just even it out. Now we have to let this sit for at least 2 hours, and then we're just going to loosen the sides. We're going to demold it, and then we're going to just cut it up into squares or any design of your choice. And our lovely milk toffee is all ready to serve. This is such an easy recipe, and it gets ready also pretty fast. I think within 10 minutes your mixture thickens, and then you can just let it set for about an hour or 2, and then all you have to do is just cut it up, and it is really, really delicious. So this is going to really look so beautiful on your Christmas tray, and everyone's going to definitely ask you for this recipe. You can also store this in an airtight container for about a week or 2. It has a long shelf life. And you can see it looks delicious, it is delicious, and when you just tear it apart, it's so nice and gooey and chewy. So I hope you try out this recipe and make this for your Christmas this year. And I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share all my recipes.